This tutorial will show you how to create a batch of image edits to submit to a website that would like the photos placed in a grid layout with the same size and resolution to each. They would also like the name of the travel package added to each photo. With the first picture of the set open, go to the Actions tab. Action tab open, go to Create New Set. We're going to name this one EcoWeb. And create a new action. The first action we're going to use is crop and name. And record. This is going to start recording every action that you take on this photo. Your next step is going to be to crop the image. When you select crop, we're going to go to width and height. It has been specified as 200 by 200 and 72 ppi. Then we want to move the people so that they're all the way into the image. And now your crop is complete. I'm now going to duplicate the layer here, add a layer, so that I can add a 1 pixel border. And select OK. Next, we're going to create a rectangle that we're going to add words to the bottom. We're going to add a custom gradient color to it, so we want to make sure we're set to shape. We're going to fill as gradient, and we'll go ahead and place our rectangle here. And for the gradient, we're going to adjust the characteristics. On the left color stop, we're going to set that opacity to 100%, which it is, with a location of 50. We're going to set this to left to right also. Here we are. Color. Opacity 100. Location is 50. Select OK. Now we're going to adjust the color of it. So we're going to select color here. Here. And we're going to adjust our color values here. 255, 240, and 0. Okay? And we're going to set that left color stop at 50. Now I want to adjust that right color. I'm going to adjust that to 255, 240, and 0. We're going to put this opacity to 0. With a location of 100. We're going to add text. Go to your text tool, select inside the box, and we're going to write in we've saved our first photo. We're going to come back here and go to File, Automate, and Batch. Here we've started the automating process, and it's importing all of the other photos in your original folder, and it's going to bring up the presets that you recorded previously. The photo may come up like this, so you want to adjust it into your window as centered as possible and press enter to continue the process. Batch is complete and all of the photos have been cropped to center. We want to go through and we want to change the words, the text on all of the images to what they were in the original.